Hello, and welcome to the Visionless YouTube channel, the channel where you get to see all the things I can't. So today, I figured I'd show off some chairs I've been making for a few years now. Finally decided to get them on the website. It may already be up by the time this video goes up, but here we go, here they are. Here we've got the tall variant. So the thing with these chairs is they are all softwood based. They could be made out of Douglas fir, European larch, or Sitka spruce. Sitka spruce being a whitewood. This one here is a Douglas fir. It's a slight red colour in it. The way I also vary them is, let's see here, the wide side is on the top and it narrows on the underside of it. This is to give the top a wider base to sit on. So we've got the back of the chair here. As you can see as we go down, we've got the slab going into the legs. This is to give it better support so it doesn't come off. I've also got where the live edge would be on the back side here. This is to give a bit better grip on the actual chair seat, again to hold it on. This one doesn't have any bark on. The bark's come off of this. Some of them will have barks on it still. This is all dependent on the tree and whether the bark's stuck on or not. If it starts coming loose, I'll just pull it off because there's no point in leaving any bark on. That's just going to come off when you get it anyway. Here I've got my short-backed chair. So on this one, I've got the slab with the shorter bit on the top and the wider part on the bottom. This gives a nice look for the sides. This one also has the bark still on the one side. It's not fallen off yet or come loose, so I've left it on because it shouldn't come off while it's like that. The grains here, from what I've been told, unfortunately I can't see it, the chair is all one slab, which has been cut to fit to make the chair, but because the slab has been flipped around, so the bark's on the other side to give the more complete grip there, the grain doesn't line up as well as it does if I had this flipped the other way around. We've got the back side of the chair here now. As you can see, this side still has the bark on. It hasn't fallen off, so again, it's staying on. One thing to consider with all the chairs I make, each slab will come out different because they're from different trees which have different shapes and colours, so no chair will be the same. They have a similar design, but the shape and colourings will all be different. I've got the old style chairs here that I used to make. Well, chair. This one I actually made with my kids when they used to come and help me. So this one has bracing on the bottom, which I've done away with on the new designs. If requested, I can add it, but it's not fully necessary on the new ones based on the way I've designed them. What this one does have, which the new ones I've started moving away from, is it's got a 90-degree back. So it's got a nice straight back, which some people like. As you can see on the other side I've got, that's got a 10-degree back to it, which is nice for leaning on. Now, there seems to be a bit of a difference in opinion on what people like with this. Some people like the straight back because it's better for posture. Some people like the angled back because it's nicer to lean back into. So, when ordering, please let me know which you prefer and it can be made to what you require. Right, so the treatment options I use for these chairs are Danish oil. I quite like the Danish oil as it gives a good colour to them, from what I remember anyway, and it can be used both indoors and outdoors. If you are using them outdoors, it is recommended to apply a thin coat every year or two, just to make sure it lasts. I am also looking at putting water-based varnish on top of the Danish oil as an option at some point. I'm just making sure that it will bond to the Danish oil and won't peel off. It's something I really like the thought of, because oil soaks into the wood and the varnish sits on top of it, so if you have both, you have a good amount of protection then, because if the varnish does get any form of piercing on it or scratches, you've still got the oil underneath protecting the wood from going to rot. Right, so thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to check out the website visionlessdesigns.com, where you find all the products I sell to help support the channel, as well as links to all my social media and Etsy store. And also, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, which I don't know where it is anymore. Last time I checked, it was over there. It's somewhere. Hopefully you can find it. And hopefully I'll see you in future videos.